Hey there. Welcome back to our cozy corner of YouTube, the beloved and happy channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of love, specifically, the stages of love for men. Now, let's be honest, guys don't always wear their hearts on their sleeves like some of women do. Their emotions might be a bit more subtle at first, but trust me, when a man falls, he falls hard. So, if you've ever found yourself wondering what's going on in his mind as he's catching feelings, stick around because we're about to reveal the exact stages of falling in love that men go through. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're at a party, and you notice someone across the room. There's something about them that catches your eye, maybe it's their smile, their confidence, or the way they carry themselves. This initial spark is the first stage of attraction, and it's a crucial moment in the psychology of love for men. It's not just about physical appearance, it's about the whole package. It could be your infectious energy, the sound of your voice, or even the way you interact with others. At this stage, he's drawn to you like a moth to a flame. He's intrigued and can't help but notice you more. He might start checking your Instagram, finding excuses to be around you, or striking up conversations. But remember, this is just the beginning. Real love takes more than just attraction. For example, let's say you're at a coffee shop, and you notice someone who seems genuinely happy and engaged with life. You might start visiting the same coffee shop more often, hoping to see them again. This initial attraction is the spark that starts it all. It's not just about looks, it's about the vibe and energy you bring to the table. Once a guy is attracted to you, his curiosity kicks in. He wants to know more about you, what makes you tick, what you're passionate about, how you think. He starts paying attention to the little things, the way you talk, your interests, and your quirky habits. He might test the waters by asking questions, texting first, or trying to make you laugh. If you match his energy and he enjoys your conversations, he'll start wanting more. This is where emotional attraction begins to build, slowly but surely. Understanding these relationship stages for men can help you navigate the complexities of his feelings. Let's say he notices that you always order the same drink or that you have a unique way of explaining things. He might start asking about your hobbies, your favorite movies, or even your dreams for the future. His curiosity is piqued, and he's eager to learn more about what makes you, you. He might start asking about your day, your interests, and your opinions on various topics. This phase is all about getting to know you better and seeing if there's a deeper connection. This is where things start to get real. If a guy reaches this stage, it means he's emotionally investing in you. He starts caring about your opinions, remembers the little things you say, and genuinely enjoys your company beyond just the surface level. You'll notice he starts opening up more, sharing his dreams, fears, and personal struggles. When a man feels emotionally safe with you, that's when he starts falling. It's not just about attraction anymore, it's about feeling understood, connected, and valued. This emotional connection in men is a strong indicator that he's serious about you. For instance, he might share a personal story about a challenging time in his life, and you listen intently, offering words of support and encouragement. He remembers the small details you mentioned in passing and brings them up later, showing that he truly cares. This emotional connection is the foundation of a deep and meaningful relationship. At this stage, something shifts in his mind. He wants to be your safe space, your rock. It's not about being a knight in shining armor, it's about feeling responsible for your happiness and well-being. He'll check in on you, make sure you're okay, and offer help without you even asking. He wants to be the person you turn to when you're upset. It's his way of showing love without saying it out loud. If you notice a guy going out of his way to be there for you, it's a clear sign he's falling hard. This phase is crucial in understanding male emotions in love, as it shows his commitment and care. For example, he might notice you're having a tough day and surprise you with your favorite snack or offer to help with a task you've been putting off. He wants to make your life easier and bring a smile to your face. This protective instinct is a strong indicator that he's deeply invested in your well-being. By now, the thought of not having you in his life actually bothers him. He starts thinking about the future, even if he doesn't say it out loud. You become a part of his routine, his thoughts, and his emotions. If a guy reaches this stage, he's not just interested, he's emotionally attached. He wants commitment, consistency, and security with you. If you're also serious about him, this is where relationships become real and deep. This stage is all about love and commitment for men, as he envisions a future with you. He might start including you in his plans, like inviting you to family gatherings or talking about future trips together. He values your presence in his life and wants to build a future with you. This attachment phase is crucial as it shows his dedication and long-term intentions. Falling in love isn't just a feeling, it's a choice. And when a man is truly in love, he makes that choice every day. He doesn't just rely on emotions, he actively works to keep the connection strong. At this stage, he's all in. He stops looking for other options and is ready to invest time and effort into you. He starts making plans that include you. If a guy has reached this point, congratulations, he's genuinely in love with you. Men might not express love in the exact way women do, but when they fall deeply. It starts with attraction, but real love happens when they feel emotionally connected, safe, and valued. So, if you're wondering whether a guy is falling for you, pay attention to these stages. Remember, love should feel effortless, secure, and mutual. If he's not moving through these stages, he might not be emotionally ready yet. It's also important to note that everyone's journey is unique. Some guys might move through these stages quickly, while others might take more time. The key is to be patient and observant. Communication is crucial in any relationship, so don't hesitate to express your feelings and ask about his. Open and honest conversations can strengthen your bond and help you both understand each other better. By recognizing these stages of love for men, you can better navigate your relationship and build a strong, lasting connection. That's it for today's video, my beautiful people. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Beloved and Happy. Let us know in the comments, what's a small thing a guy did that made you realize he was falling for you? We'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay glowing and never settle for anything less than real love. See you soon.